Hey guys, what is going on? So today we're going to be talking about iOS 11.2.6. You guys already know. I was actually just making a video about iOS 12 and like features and stuff like that. So look out for that video in the next couple of days. So basically what this fixes, guys, is you guys already knew you send that little like weird thing. This thing right here. You send that through iMessage to someone. Pretty much what happens is their phone will crash immediately. The reason I didn't make a video on it is because pretty much everyone made a video on it, so I'm pretty sure you guys already knew about it. But pretty much what this update does is fix it. It's crazy because this is the 11th iOS 11 like update to come out, and it's crazy that literally takes them 11 tries to get it right, and who knows, we'll probably get another bug in a couple of days. But anyways, that's pretty much all this bug does, and it also fixes an issue where some third-party apps could fail to connect to an external accessory. That can mean a lot of things, but I haven't had any issues with it personally. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all it really does. And basically, guys, you should definitely update it. I haven't had any issues with someone sending me that through iMessage, but might as well update it because it's just. Might as well update it, guys. Might as well. It's only 41.5 megabytes, guys, so it's a pretty small update. That's pretty much the only thing it fixes is that one issue. I would really recommend updating it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all the update does. Just wanted to let you guys know about that, how to fix it, that issue. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the iOS 12 video coming out soon. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. It really does help the channel. I'll see you guys later. Peace.